Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to include JavaScript in your HTML file. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and visitors in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. If you want to become a web developer or just want to learn web programming, one of the things that you have to learn are the three fundamentals in web development: HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. In this video guys, I will teach you on how to include basic command in JavaScript in your HTML or hypertext markup language. One of the things that I like in HTML is that you can combine other languages like JavaScript, PHP, among others. Now, to include a JavaScript in your web page in HTML, just type the command script, and then in this example, we include a command alert. It will display a dialog box when we open our web page, and then it will display the message hello to JavaScript, and then we close. Now let us save, Ctrl S. Let us go with our Windows Explorer here, double click the index. Okay, as you can see, it display hello to JavaScript. Click OK. It will display our web page. That will display a message also, my basic web page. That's it guys, very simple and very straightforward tutorial on how to include JavaScript in your HTML file. If you have some questions or clarifications in this tutorial video, just leave in the comment section of this video. Thank you so much for listening and watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.